Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. So after a long time we have met. So today I'm going to explain some more interview questions in Neoload rather than JMeter. So the first question is why we are using test flag? Why we are using test flag option in Neoload? So answer is I want to show the practically. So here the button is this is the flag request. The first reason that we are using for handling the dynamic values. So how? So after you capturing the dynamic value, suppose ABCD 1 2 3 4 5 6, you will go to this whose recorded response contains and paste it. Once you will paste this, what it will do is it will highlight this tick mark in the script itself. So suppose I want to do that. So this means we have already done the correlation. So like this, after you have pick and cross, the buttons are highlighted like this. So that's why we are using this flag request. Apart from that, this is the main option. 90% of the times we are using the same option. Second thing is whose this is with the variable extractor. That means you know that ABCD 1 2 3 4 is our dynamic value. So what we can do is parameter name. Suppose you will replace some parameter. So I mean that param. How it will replace this? Suppose curly brackets like this. For example. So now when you click on this, suppose I will copy this. Control C, and I will paste over here and uncheck. Suppose as variable extractor. That means suppose for example the param there is request 1 request 2. So what I can do is whenever I do the correlation I will found the value in request 1. This response I will capture that value, and where I have placed that value, write a function here. That means here in the response, for example, 1 minute. So we'll go to the request advance. I will go to the record response, control F. Suppose the value is appear over here. Suppose this is the value, and I will go to the variable extractor and I will write the value over here. I've already written somewhere. 1 minute, where is that? So I will show that. So whenever you click the first option, like this option, that means wherever you have written this, replace this value with hard coded value. Whenever you click check on this option, that request will be highlighted. I hope you will understand. That means wherever you have replaced this function or hard coded that value in particular request, in this particular case where we have written the first request we have written, so it will highlight this whenever you check this. Suppose you uncheck and you would do this used in request, which request it is highlighted. So that means which request it is highlighted means where, sorry, this is one. So here wherever the dynamic value is occurred, that will be highlighted. That means here it will be highlighted. This both highlighted because we will find, and this in this particular case what happened is used in request means wherever you have replaced. That means in this particular case the request one will be highlighted. I hope you understand. A little bit confusion, but practically I will show later. but this is the second option we are using in this frag request. The most of the times we are using 90% of the time that we are using this option. So that is a frag request option. The answer is that's. I hope you understand. For handling dynamic value. Second thing, what is the purpose of variable manager? So I will show the practically also. This is a variable manager fx. Why we are using is for parameterization purpose we are using. Answer is simple. For parameter purpose. The third portion. So where how you will put spacing in Neoload. So where you have put, so go to that particular request. So you will put beforehand you will put a delay like this. It is not 1 minute. So actually we will put it. So this is we can call it as a pacing. So and remember we will give the milliseconds, not a seconds, at the end of action part or before and like this. So fourth. So yes, what is this loop function? So here, what is loop function in Neoload? We will give the iterations, number of iterations in loop. So what it can do, suppose if you mention 5, it will repeat 5 times. The final question, how you will configure Neoload with Dynatrace? Where you have find that option? Where you have find option? Simple. I will show that. Go to the advanced preferences. Project settings is there. Go to preferences. Project settings here in Dynatrace. So you will here and give the URL and tokens and click on test. So you will give the same token configured in Dynatrace. So in project settings, in project settings, where in preferences project settings. So guys, these are the important portions that you will know while you are working in Neoload. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel because subscriptions are very less, views are good. Please subscribe, comment and share. If anybody is looking the performance testing training, I will soon start that. If anybody is interested to learn along with a project support or something, you can reach me on or just comment in comment section. So I will give a reply. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.